Welcome to Rich's era. Remember when Donald Trump refused to file his tax returns when he first ran for president? And you falsely claimed you couldn't because you were tested, and Pinkie promised she would as soon as the exam was over. Before we continue, please support us by clicking on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell for more reliable updates. And then, big surprise here, hasn't he ever done it? And people were like, do you have something in those returns you're trying to hide? And then they responded to their own question. Of course I do. Didn't you read that article about a total scam? Trump has since tried, among other things, to get money from another country, blackmailing for his own political gain, lying to the public about a deadly disease, attempting to overturn the results of a free and fair election, unleashing a bloodthirsty mob in the US Capitol, and he took top-secret documents with him when he found the White left home, including allegedly about another country's nuclear secrets. It would therefore make sense if he forgot about the whole tax filing situation, which is back in the news now and doesn't look too good for the former president. On Thursday, the U.S. Court of Appeals for the D.C. Circuit denied Trump's request to reconsider an August ruling that allowed the House Ways and Means Committee to obtain your tax returns for 2015 through 2020 years, in which you paid just $750 in federal income taxes, and in one of the years you paid nothing. The committee has been trying to acquire the records since 2019. While Trump was in office, his Treasury Department unsurprisingly refused to release her, and when he was out of office, Trump filed a lawsuit to prevent Joe Biden from doing so, claiming the committee was seeking the documents for political purposes. In August, the appellate body disagreed, concluding that lawmakers had a legitimate legislative purpose. Examination of the statements, and on Thursday the entire court agreed. While Trump can and will, no doubt, enchantment the choice to the Supreme Court, the Thursday ruling changed into a especially hard blow, as it declined his request to freeze the discharge of the statistics pending any other enchantment. In a statement, Richard Neal, the chairman of the House Ways and Means Committee, said, "Former President Trump has attempted to postpone the inevitable. However, as soon as again, the court has affirmed the electricity of our position. We've waited lengthy enough. We should start our oversight of the IRS's obligatory presidential audit software as quickly as possible." In 2018, three Pulitzer Prize-winning New York Times reporters revealed that Trump collected a great deal of his fortune through doubtful tax schemes that included times of outright fraud. At the time, a legal professional for Trump insisted that the New York Times allegations of fraud and tax evasion are 100% false and especially defamatory. They're changed into no fraud or tax evasion with the aid of using anyone. He delivered that if they're changed into fraud or tax evasion, Trump had not anything to do with it, saying President Trump had actually no involvement in any way with those matters. In 2020, the Times revealed that Trump paid $750 in federal profits taxes in 2016, any other $750 in 2017, and not anything in any way in 10 of the preceding 15 years. So you may probably apprehend why he'd want to preserve his tax returns below